This is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Wi-Fi category over here at the very top of the page. Now, practically, you will need to connect your device to whatever Wi-Fi network you wanted to share. That's the first step. Then tap at this gear icon in front of a network. Once you've made it to the network details page, go for the share option, and the following page will provide you with the convenient QR code that you can further scan with any other device you wanted to share this network with, and the aforementioned device will be automatically connected to it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.